guys, this is Kerimale. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to design a social media poster. Today will be different, and what you have to do is to switch back your Illustrator, sit backward, and then let's begin. I go back like this, and I have my canvas ready, which is on 25 width and 15 at the height, on the height. And I have some concept you are going to use here. As you can see, we are going to need background and other kind of stuffs. I will start by adding this background, just like this. You will find some of this material in the link description. And what I will do now, I will create a shape over this canvas, and I'm going to add a code here, which is 4 capital E 0E and 38, and then I press OK, and we have this purple color. And what I do next, I'm going to add this woman, just like this. I will hold my shift, and what I will do, I will just press Ctrl Shift or Command Shift and then cross bracket, and then I will bring it to front. I'll just reduce the size a bit like this, and I will need to reduce this opacity to 75. Let's try it. Yeah, we still need to reduce it more. Too far. Let's do like 68, like this. Okay, I will zoom in a little bit, and I also need this. I'm going to add it here. You can download all these vector concept, all these vector tools from Shutterstock. And for this one, the opacity will be 25%, just like this. And I'm going to add also these music icons. I think it's for guitar. Let's do like this. I will select this and press right click, arrange center back, and then I'm going to add this one to 20% of the opacity. I try to make it big. This canvas format most of the time is for Twitter, but it can also work on Facebook and Instagram and any other social media, like on Behance, like everywhere. And I also need to add this. I will just do like this. I'm going to increase its size, and let's do like this. I will also give it 20% of the opacity, just to make this one look like it is in attention. It is like we need the consumer eyes on this one at this moment, because we are going to also to add the messages here, which I will pick from here, from my note. I will do like this. I'm going to copy all this text by pressing Ctrl or Command C, and I'm going to paste them inside Illustrator. I do a text box like this, and I will start by copying this text, and it's like the campaign title, the main name. What I will do, I will just press Type tool and then do paste like this, and then increase my size. And the font we are going to use is called Blackjack. You can find it from thefont.com. I will just add a link in the description link. And then I'm going to turn this into this rose color, and you need to expand this into shapes. Before you do that, you have to hold Alt key. Let me go back a little bit. You have to hold your Alt key like this and Shift and that just keep the original typography. What you're going to do now, I'm just going to object, expand, and then it will look like this. I'm going to turn the typography into shapes like this, and we do ungroup, and I'm going to increase this night, and then I'm going to group these ones. Also, I'm going to press Ctrl or Command G, and I will pick the white color for divas, and I will need to improve the arrangement of wording, the wording arrangement. This is the thing you have to keep in mind. Always a nice arrangement, like it's a bad thing in design. And I think I need to reduce it a little bit. And there is a second message we're going to add, which is here. I will do like this, and then I will just make a text box like this, and then I'm going to choose a font called Ephra. Yeah, let it be bold, and I'm going to choose it into white like this. Increase its size maybe to, yeah, that one is big. Let's do 18. We just increased this font in the end. Yeah, this one is better. Let me first go to my object and then unlock, or I will need to increase the opacity of this one, just like this. Let's do 75 like this, and then I will select all of it like this. By holding shift you can select like anything like this in Illustrator. So the ones I need to work, they are well selected. I can go back to object and then work selection, just boom, like that. Okay, I also need to add this message like this. I'm going to copy it, and then I'm going to paste it here. We are going also to use Ephra font, just like this, and then I'm going to choose the font like this. Okay, and we have a font here. What do we do? The font is on the it's arranged on the left alignment, and then I will try to make it, I will align it into the center. So sometimes we need to focus also on this message, as you can see. And let me first copy this one too, like this, and then I'm going to paste them here, just like this. And then I pick my eyedropper tool and then paste them here. This is very far. I will need to reduce the size of this one and increase the size of this one. And then I will copy this number, and for more information we are going to add the text here. We are going to add the text here. I do like this. Yeah, boom. And we also add this logo. We have our vectorized logo for Marriott. I will not give you this one, but you can find it online. So I'm going to reduce its size on this level, just like this. And I'm going to align them right at the bottom, as you can see. Sorry. So we need to add some shapes just to make this word comes out. Let me first make all of them into medium so that I can change even the colors and wherever. I'm going to choose yellowish kinda. Yeah, the color code is C68318. And then we are going to go with that one. Yeah, I have it here. And then let's rock the metro band. Let's make it bold. Enjoy Reddy's night out with metro band. Can we change this yellow? Yes, let's do it. Let's do it. We need it to come out. Let's pick this one. And my yellow. And the yellow code is E0AF25. Yeah. What we do next, I'm going to hold Alt key and duplicate this shape because I will need it. And I'm going to make it look like a background of this one. I'm going to press right click here, arrange, and then bring to front. And I'm going to choose this color. I'll pick the same color just by pressing I, and then by pressing I, it's an eyedropper tool, then I can pick this color. So we are going to make it I think 10%. What I needed it for, I just need to make these words look more visible. Yeah, I think at 100% they are visible. At 100%, I mean this one, zoom, they are visible. And what you're going to do now is to add social media posters and both these numbers. And I have the vectorized icon here, which I'm going also to share with you guys in link description. Yeah, you will find it there. I'm going to pick Facebook, like any of these. Why is it like this? Rest to object and then expand. Boom. Yeah, I'm going to hold my shift key and I will select this only. And then I'm going to paste them here, just like this. Go to object, expand appearance, select them both again, and then go to object, expand. They will look like this, and then I have my vectorized icons here. So we don't need circles. Let me do ungroup. Sorry for that. And we start by just putting them there. And I need to move this, press Ctrl G or Command G to group the objects. So we are going to make them look like they are on the same size. What do you think? Flying Bird F and Instagram. Yeah, we have our social media icons here. Yeah, and we need to add this number. We change the font. We need to change the font to Efra, so we can have like the two fonts in our project. So I'll make this one look regular, and then I'm going to pick the yellow color and add it here on for more information. By just pressing the eyedropper tool, you can pick any color from the project or inside the project. So let's increase the size of this one. This looks better, I hope so. By pressing Z, I can zoom out my project like this, and then let's increase the background. Yeah, the other shape we have added, so I can reduce the logo size to this level. Yeah, this is cool, right? The other thing, let's centralize it. Like this edge need to have the same space like this one, for better looking, right? Okay. So guys, this one is a quick one, but really hope you learned something, and I'm going to attach all these links in the description. Please make sure to do subscribe and share it wherever you can. Thank you so much for watching.